Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing, and as you can see, it's from the company Venezianico. Now, their watches, I've been keeping an eye on their watches, and they've got some really interesting newer models coming out. And I'm lucky enough to have one of their models here. Let's have a look. As well, first of all, just check the box out. It is very, very cool. Let's open it. Here we go. Okay, very nice box. I'm just going to move this to one side because there's quite a bit of packing in here. We have this here, and we have the actual main box. We've got plenty of paperwork also here. So we have extra discounts, a lot about the company, and yeah, very, very impressive stuff. So let's actually get to the watch. So very well packaged. We've got, here we go, a nice white box here. Let's open this one first. Like, I've got to admit, they really know how to package a watch. They do a really nice job. So let's see. And wow. Okay, we have more paperwork in here. We'll leave this now. Let's have a look at the watch. Now, this one is part, let me get a little cloth to write that, of the Nereide range. But now they have a ceramic version. So let's peel this all off, because I say this is absolutely brand new out of the box. If I can get to the actual protective sticker here. He says, there we go. Wow, look at the sheen on that. That actually is very impressive. It's got some weight to it. Now, I should point out, this watch here actually has a Swiss heart at its center. This is housing the NH, no, sorry, it's not the NH, sorry, excuse me, the Sellita SW200 movement. And so it's got a higher beat rate than the sometimes the Seiko models you see in some of the other brands. But this, I say, you can buy it, I think, in a 39mm, and that has a Seiko movement. But this, for 42mm, does actually house the NH, oh, I keep saying it again, the Sellita SW200. And I must admit, just off the bat, that has got some kind of, it really does pop, I think. It really does look the part. I say, this is purely an unboxing. I'm not going to get into a full review yet, because obviously I haven't had the watch long enough. I normally give it a couple of weeks until I've actually had the watch, tried it on, done some time graph work with it, see how it works. But I must admit, so far, this looks really impressive. If I can get all this off here. Sometimes it's not a good idea to do this on camera. Okay, I'll leave that bit for now. Let's just look at that watch. Let's zoom in a little bit there. Wow. The ceramic bezel looks the biz. I must admit, I'm really, really impressed with the kind of mirror finish you get off that. It does look good. That's a good angle. You can see the raised hour markers on there. That is really quite impressive. Let's give it a little bit of a wind. Oh, that's silky smooth. That is actually very nice. Okay, screw down crown, as we can see. Let's try the bezel action, see what it sounds like. That's quite nice. Okay, I like that. Does it line up? There we go. Okay, that lines up. I think that's quite nice. Okay, no display back on it, but that's okay. The bracelet looks really interesting. It's a bit almost Patek kind of design there. I like this clasp as well. This does look quite nice. So you've got the butterfly style, but when it closes, it really does go down well. So you don't actually realise there, that's the joining link. I think it's got a little bit of protective film on there as well. No, that's actually very, very nice. I like that. Let's try it on my wrist just quickly to see how it looks. Well, actually, just before we do, what's in here? I want to see what's in this bit here. Oh, wow. Oh, that's nice. So let's zoom out a little bit now. So we've also got the rubber strap. I tell you what, that feels like vulcanized rubber, actually. I'd say it's vulcanized. That does feel very, very nice. Again, fantastic packaging. This really is a company who know how to package their products. That feels really nice. You get some silicone straps or rubber straps which feel like they're going to be lint magnets and attract dust. This definitely doesn't feel like it. It feels like it's vulcanized rubber, but I could be wrong. But I can imagine that also on this watch would look the biz. No, let's try it on my wrist anyway. Quick wrist check. I'm wearing my first ever freehand wristwatch, which I had back when I was a 15-year-old kid. So anyway, let's try this on. I say I haven't sized it yet, so we're not going to, it won't be correct. Let's put this in. Always a bit awkward when it's too long. Wow. I must say, I quite like that. I think they've really stepped up the game of late. There are some really interesting models coming out from them, and I think this one actually is really, really nice. Anyway, I'm going to leave it for now and give me a couple of weeks and I'll get a full review of this out. But I think this is actually quite an interesting looking watch. It is very clean, very classy looking. Anyway, all the best and stay safe out there, guys. See you at the next watch review. You take care. Bye.